Hey food lovers, welcome back to my kitchen where today we're diving into a dish that's crispy, cheesy, and oh so delicious, Parmesan-crusted baked fish. Whether you're a seafood enthusiast or just looking for an easy weeknight dinner, this recipe will have your taste buds dancing. With a golden, crunchy crust and tender fish underneath, you won't believe how simple it is to whip this up. Let's get started and turn your kitchen into a seafood paradise. 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to stand to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or lightly grease it to prevent sticking. 2. Prepare the coating. In a medium bowl, combine the grated Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, dried oregano, paprika, salt, and pepper. Mix well until all ingredients are evenly distributed. 3. Coat the fish. Pat the fish fillets dry with paper towels. Brush each fillet lightly with olive oil on both sides. This helps the coating adhere and enhances flavor. Then, generously press each fillet into the Parmesan mixture, ensuring a thick and even coating. 4. Bake the fish. Place the coated fillets on the prepared baking sheet. Bake in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the fish is cooked through and the crust is golden brown and crispy. The fish should easily flake with a fork. Garnish and serve. Once baked, remove the fish from the oven and let it rest for a couple of minutes. Sprinkle with fresh parsley for a burst of color and flavor. Serve with lemon slices on the side for an extra zing. Tips: pair it up. This dish pairs wonderfully with a side of roasted vegetables or a fresh green salad. Fish options. Feel free to experiment with different types of fish based on your preference or availability. Enjoy your delicious and crispy Parmesan-crusted baked fish.